Me opening my PS5 Slim. Oh, there's the remote. Oh. Remote, as you already know, works. Right, get that out, and then get the... Oh my god.
You might have to lay it on its side and do it. Lay it on its side. Lay it on its side and slide it out. That's it, now slide it out.
Here we are.
Lay it on its side and slide it out.
So, move it.
All the way down, flat. You're making a meal out of this.
I know.
The other side.
Here we are. Take that out. And take that out. Okay. You see? Here is the PS5 Slim. Here is the PS5 Slim. Here it is.
That's it. Turn it around so we can see the front. That's the side, and then the front. That's it. No, that's the back.
It's the front.
No, that's not the front. Where your right hand is. That's it. Keep turning it. That's it. That's the front. Right, should we get it set up now?
Yeah.
That's your unboxing done, yeah?